Here's how to run a workers' comp audit report in Gusto, step by step. Rank that, start by signing in to your Gusto account. Enter your usual login details and wait for the dashboard to load. Once you are in, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the main navigation menu. This is where you will move into the reporting area. Click Reports from the left-hand menu. Gusto will open the Reports section, where you can search for available report types and access standard reporting options tied to payroll data. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until the report tools are fully visible before continuing. At the top of the Reports area, find the search bar labeled Find a Report. Use that search bar to look for a workers' compensation report or a payroll report that fits the needs of your audit. As you type, Gusto may show matching report options. Review those results and check whether there is a report specifically meant for workers' compensation audits. If you see a dedicated workers' comp audit report, open that report and continue with the reporting period and review steps. If that report is not available in your account, click Custom Report instead. That will let you build a report using payroll fields that match the information needed for the audit. In the custom report setup, select the payroll columns and filters required for your workers' compensation review. Choose the fields that reflect the payroll information your audit needs, and make sure the filters match the group of employees or payroll records you intend to include. This is the point where accuracy matters most, since the report output will depend on the columns and filters you choose. Next, choose the appropriate reporting period. Set the date range that matches the audit window you need to provide. Take a moment here to confirm that the selected period covers the correct payroll dates, since an incorrect range can leave out records or include payroll activity that does not belong in the audit. Once the report is generated, review it on screen to verify the payroll information. Scan the columns, totals, and included records to make sure the report reflects what you expected. If something looks off, such as missing payroll entries or an incorrect date span, adjust the report settings before downloading. When the report looks correct, click Download to export it. Gusto will prepare the file and save it in the available export format. Depending on your browser settings, the file may download automatically or prompt you to choose a save location. Your workers' comp audit report is now exported from Gusto.